Once I had kids, that high demand life, along with the responsibilities of parenting, had really kind of just beat me down. I wasn't taking care of myself because I was putting everybody else first. I think a lot of people can relate to that. I saw my cousin thriving, and she had a baby a few months before me, and she was feeling and looking amazing. I bought a sample off of her, and the first day I took it, I went into work bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. I was zipping around the office. I didn't need that third, fourth cup of coffee that I was normally needing. I had the energy to play with my daughter instead of counting down the seconds to bedtime like I normally do. And the next day I looked forward to waking up and taking my capsules, and it's just been like that every single day since.